It's been a long time since I made a video. What happened was in August, my head lifted, and it's been in the shop waiting for my turn to come up because I had to take it to a specialist that mostly works on Evo 8s, 9s, and 10s. And I don't know how many of you know this, but the 2-liter engine is very similar to the 4B11 that's found in the Evo 10 / Rally Art. So it only made sense for me to take it to the specialist, but did the timing chain service, put the better ARP head studs in it, and I got a valve job, so I replaced all the seals on those and did all that fun stuff. So I didn't go crazy on the upgrades because my build's not really for power and all that stuff. But anyways, we got this gaping hole right here. I'm changing out my radiator today. I got the one off of eBay for like $130 a while ago, and it is a 100% Mishimoto radiator replica. It worked good. I guess I hit something or whatever, or something hit me like a rock, and it must have made a hole in the radiator. But anyways, on to bigger and better things. So I got the Mishimoto radiator right here. I ordered it straight from Mishimoto's eBay store. It took 6 days for it to go from Delaware to Arizona, where I live. Comes with the lifetime warranty, and I went ahead and I registered it, and they even will change it out if you get in an accident, which is cool. There's a little unboxing. Got all that, and of course I already opened it and checked everything, made sure everything was good. Alright, so that was the box. Alright, so here we got the Mishimoto right here. Really nice shine on the sides. Very nice. You got the Mishimoto M right there. And what's funny is the one off of eBay for like $130. It is a 100% looks wise, minus the shine, the same as the Mishimoto. 100% same. Now, the quality's not in that one. As you can see, it's crooked, and it is, bent. It's not like flat. But anyways, 100% carbon copy of the Mishimoto in every way, shape, or form. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, here's the other side. Flipped it over. 100% the same. Oh yeah, and there's where the leak was coming from right there. But yeah, pretty much the same, 100% carbon copy. But definitely doesn't come with the lifetime warranty right there, which is sick. And I got it for $270 shipped. So stoked with that. But yeah, there's that. Do I recommend the $130 one? No, I do not. Just pay the 150 extra bucks and get the one with the lifetime warranty. And unfortunately, because the Genesis coupes are so old now, the aftermarket support is starting to dwindle down. So there's only the Mishimoto one left as far as aftermarket. So, and really, for the bk1 manual, I don't know if they have an automatic one still or not, but I know they got the manuals. But yeah, anyways. Alright, so we got the initial fill going in with the no spill funnel. I took a break. It was really late at night and I just wanted to go to sleep, so I did. But here it is, all its glory. So this funnel right here, it comes with all the different types of radiator caps, and it has a hole in it, as you can see right here. And then you put the fitting that makes a complete seal. It has a rubber gasket around it, and you just put it in there, and then you put the applicable radiator cap over it, you twist it, and then if you need to raise it up higher because you got something in the way, it comes with that. And then if you need to angle it a little different, then it comes with a few of those. But this doesn't allow any air to get in when you're trying to burp it, because the funnel's the highest thing in the system. You just have to keep it full. And it just keeps filling the system, and it's burping. It does help to raise the car in the front a little bit, because you know the air bubble is going to go to the top. So it's trying to go to the top right now. Like I said, you got to keep filling it up. And it's just going to keep bubbling away. I do have the VP Racing Matadtive cool down. It helps it out. Obviously it's not going to keep it running cooler because the thermostat does that, but it doesn't let any of the stuff corrode in there, because you know I'm just using distilled water. But anyways, there's a few other companies that make something similar to that. I just got that one. But I'll turn the video back on when I turn the car on. Alright, so we got the car on, and I have it set to defrost with the heater, but I don't have it on just yet. And as you can see, we're bubbling away. It's getting up to temperature. The thermostat's going to open up, which I did get a new one in there when I got the timing service done and the valve job done, along with the ARP head studs, because my head lifted. The timing cover is spotless now. And then I got all associated seals and O-rings that were touched to get to all that stuff. I got all those replaced. So valve cover gasket, the head gasket was done, all that. And the mechanic that I took it to, as I was saying, he specializes in the Evo 8, 9, and 10, and the 10 has a similar engine R to the 2-liter. And he actually charged $400 to take it apart, $400 to put it back together with all the new stuff. And then the machine shop, they flattened the head again, and then they did the valve job and whatever else they did. That was for $690. And then the parts I got from Tim, they were about $650. So got 95,000 miles on it. So hopefully it's good for well over 100,000. But I do race it at a racetrack, Arizona Motorsports Park. I do a lot of pulls, and I do have the bigger stuffed turbo and the tune from Tim, because it's Tim's turbo. So I do beat on it quite a bit. So, you know, what was I expecting? Well, not that, but it's a lot better than the failed engine bearings or rod knock or whatever. But, you know, it's still going. And it's a bk1, so I must not be doing something too bad.